Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. So taking our series forward on endometriosis, today I'll be talking about pregnancy and endometriosis. Now pregnancy and endometriosis, they don't have very friendly terms. Yes, endometriosis may pose a difficulty in getting pregnant to begin with, right? As I was telling, endometriosis is a condition which is a chronic inflammatory condition. ये चलती रहती है ये disease हर महीने, every time you go through the hormonal changes, ये endometriotic spot या ये इस disease के spots जहाँ जहाँ होते हैं, they also show changes and simultaneously they cause damage to structure. Now this damage can be structural as well as it can affect the quality of egg and sperm too. The fluid which is produced can affect the quality of egg and sperm too. So girls who have endometriosis, जिन लोगों को endometriosis होता है, they may face difficulty as I mentioned, क्योंकि कभी कभी ट्यूब्स डैमेज हो रही होती हैं, कभी कभी एग की क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं होती, कभी कभी स्पर्म की क्वालिटी इफेक्ट होती है, and there are many more reasons which may pose a difficulty in getting pregnant. But the good thing is that with treatment, pregnancy is possible with endometriosis, right? And the treatment way may differ and vary with girls to girl. It is not necessary कि अगर एक गर्ल को हमने सिर्फ मेडिसिन से प्रेगनेंसी हो गई है, who is having endometriosis, second person may need a surgery for that before getting pregnant, or she may need other treatment for infertility like IVF or something. But yes, sooner or later one may get pregnant with endometriosis. Treatments available हैं, treatments के साथ pregnancy possible है with endometriosis. But remember that अगर आपको पता है कि किसी को कि I have endometriosis, then sooner the better. So if a lady has endometriosis and she is already 30, I would suggest कि go ahead and plan your pregnancy rather than postponing it till you are 35 or 38. Sooner the better, because as your age increases, fertility shows further decline. So endometriosis की वजह से भी decline हो रही है, कम हो रही है fertility, और age की वजह से और कम हो जाएगी. So it is better कि timely pregnancy plan करिए, and if there is a difficulty, if you are not able to get pregnant, then seek help from your doctor. Now what happens to a lady who is having endometriosis and she is pregnant now? So endometriosis pregnancy में भी harmful effect show कर सकती है. So endometriosis is a risk factor. It may cause early pregnancy abortions. It may cause high blood pressure in pregnancy. It may lead to certain placental condition like आंवल नाल से related जो conditions हैं वो कुछ होती हैं इनके साथ. Then endometriosis can lead to फाइनली थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर में जाके प्रीटर्म डिलीवरीज. सो समय से पहले कभी कभी बर्थ हो जाती है, इंक्रीज रेट ऑफ सिजेरियन सेक्शंस एंड एट टाइम्स बैड इफेक्ट ऑन बेबी टू. सो if you have endometriosis and now if you are pregnant, be very vigilant in your follow-ups. Show to your doctor, discuss with your doctor every little thing before you move ahead. So it is not that. And talking about disease per se, एंडोमेट्रियोसिस का क्या होता है जब आप प्रेग्नेंट होते हैं? कभी कभी ये चुपचाप 9 महीने साइलेंट रहती है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, एंड कभी कभी इट मे शो फ्लेयर्स बिकॉज ऑफ चेंज इन हार्मोनल एनवायरनमेंट इन द बॉडी. सो इफ आई सम अप, प्रेगनेंसी एंड एंडोमेट्रियोसिस, दे आर नॉट वेरी फ्रेंडली to each other. So a lady with endometriosis may have difficulty in getting pregnant, but she will get pregnant. Mostly they do get pregnant on treatment. Once you are pregnant, there are certain complications which can happen in pregnancy, for which you should be watchful enough from time to time so that you have a healthy pregnancy outcome. So big story, let me just cut short the story and tell you that if you have any problem in your periods, if you have painful period, if you have been trying since past few months and not able to conceive, not able to get pregnant, then please discuss with your doctor. And this is a disease which if diagnosed on time can be treated properly. ये disease अगर time से पकड़ी जाए तो best होता है. इसलिए stay safe, stay healthy, take care.